Hi, beautiful Aquarius. How are you? I hope you all must be doing good. So, this is a timeless love update for you. Let's see what's coming up for you, Aquarius. Okay, this is for Aquarius. This is for Aquarius. Okay, let go of control issues. This card is appearing in so many readings. Forgiving and learning, definitely. Honeymoon. So I feel as if in the past you were really being very in control, trying to make things work the way you wanted in the relationship, and that is what that created the friction. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. This is the message that you got from the universe. Then, as the control went out of your hands, things could have gotten messy. So at that end, the universe is asking you to forgive and learn from this experience. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments with that. And as you do that, as you forgive your partner, as you try to keep all the past things in the past and move and look towards the future and invest in the present, you get the honeymoon period, enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. So definitely, Aquarius, letting go of the control issues, forgiving, learning, keeping the lessons with you. Do not keep grudges. Actually, learn the facts, keep them memorized, and this is what that is going to make this relationship prosper. Let's see what tarot has for you. Higher friend, you could already be married with this person or could be planning to make this relationship go to high level of commitment through engagement, through marriage, all that kind of stuff. But you are being very overprotective here with the Four of Pentacles. You are choking flow of love in your life, and as you try to choke flow, this is card of control. You try to strangle it, and as you do that, you are missing opportunities of true love in your life. This is what that is here shown with the Four of Wands in reverse. Four of Wands is, if it was in the upright, it could mean something really prosper, like happy home, happy family, passion, intimacy, everything good and great about relationship. But you are the one who is choking the flow. With that, you got Knight of Pentacles. As you have learned the lessons, this is time when you need to plant seeds for improvement and betterment of this relationship. You again got a Strength card. You are not given up in controlling. Like this lady at times try to keep the mouth of this line shut, or at the other time she tries to open it at her will and wishes. You do not need to do that. You are courageous, you are bold, you are leader, you are everything, Aquarius. Great, good, brave, courageous, the things that I mentioned earlier. But see, control does not work in relationships. If you really want this relationship to go to higher levels of bliss, mirth, joy, and happiness, you need to let go control issues. And I do see that you will do that and you will reach this honeymoon period.